Alright, y'all, we about to get this battery replaced. We got a Ford F-150 XL. I'm about to show y'all how to replace a battery. You notice that the positive got a plus, negative got a negative sign. They got this on every American battery. When we install the battery, we got to make sure the positive side is on the red side, which is the positive, and the negative have to go to the ground side, which is black. Positive on the positive side, the negative on the negative side. Once we put it on in the proper place, you take your wrench, a ratchet, and of course when you change your battery, whether it's new or old, change your cable ends. It would be better. You can get a better ground and a better connection with the cable ends. And you take a house wrench, any wrench or ratchet set, but we have a wrench today. And we put your wrench around the nut and we'll tighten it. And we goes over to the negative side in the same process. Make sure they're good and snug. Each one are good and snug and tight so it can get a good ground and good connection. We have to make sure all the connection is in place. We get a good ground and it turn right over. If you get a spark on your battery, that means that you don't have it placed in the right proper place from the positive to the negative. When the connection is right for the positive and the negative, you get a good start and everything turns over and start your car, your truck, and you can move on out.